Looking for the A16 Best Mobile 2025 A16 that offers incredible value? Meet the new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Get ready for stunning visuals on its ultra-clear 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Perfect for streaming, gaming, or just browsing online recipes with crisp detail. Capture all your favorite moments, from expansive group shots to detailed close-ups with the versatile triple-lens camera system. And don't worry about daily wear and tear. The Galaxy A16 5G boasts awesome durability with an improved IP54 rating for peace of mind. It even helps you stay on top of your health, easily connecting with devices like the Fit 3 to track steps, sleep, and heart rate directly in the Samsung Health app. With super fast charging, expandable storage, and 5G connectivity, this NIME-unlocked Android smartphone truly packs premium features into an affordable package. If you're looking to buy an Android phone type with impressive specs and great value, this is it. Ready to upgrade your mobile experience? Find the best deals and purchase your Galaxy A16 5G now via the link in our description. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G truly delivers an awesome experience at a price you'll love, making it a top contender for the Best Budget Phone 2025 time.